Hello, my wonderful friends. Today we will talk about Unit 13, sound ng. High frequency words are of great importance. It's to help us write and express ourselves. Let's learn together some new words and use them in writing. Look, don't, come, will, into. Look, the appearance of someone, or as a verb, direct one's gaze towards someone or something. I looked at the beach in surprise. Don't, a contraction of do not. My family and I don't like horror movies. Come, move towards or into a place. I am sure that my friends will come to my birthday. Will, expressing the future tense. I will do my homework. Into, expressing movement or action with the result that someone or something becomes enclosed or surrounded by something else. Cover the ball and put it into the fridge. Ing sound. Bang, king, long, strong, bring. Bang, a sudden loud sharp noise. The door slammed with a bang. King, the male ruler of a kingdom. Long, measuring a great distance from end to end, or a long period. The king went on a long journey. Strong, able to withstand force, pressure, and having power. I eat healthy food to become strong. Bring, take or go with someone or something to a place. More ing sound. Finger, tongue, angry, strong, swing. Tongue, organ in the mouth of a mammal, human or animal. Finger, each of the four slender jointed parts attached to either hand. Angry, feeling or showing strong annoyance or displeasure. String, material consisting of threads of cotton or other fabrics. Swing, move or cause to move back and forth from one side to side. It can be a noun, a seat attached by ropes or chains on which someone may sit and swing back and forth.